Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 27 cube minus 9 power 4 is what without using calculator and in just 4 to 5 steps. So let's start with today's video solution. So 27 we can write as 3 cube whole cube minus similarly 9 I can write it as 3 square whole power 4. So this becomes 3 power 3 times 3 minus 3 power 2 times 4. So here this becomes 3 power 9 minus 3 power 8. So if I take 3 power 8 as common, so what is left? 3 power 1 minus 1. So 3 power 8. Then 3 power 1 is 3 minus 1. 3 power 8 times 2. We can write it as 3 power 8 square root times square root 2. So this becomes 3 power 8 times 1 by 2 times square root 2. So this will cancel out 4. 3 power 4 square root 2. 3 power 4 is 81 square root 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.